Is TapTap Send available in the UAE? If you're wondering whether TapTap Send is accessible for users in the UAE, the good news is TapTap Send is available in the UAE. This makes it a convenient and reliable option for sending and receiving money internationally. Known for its low fees, competitive exchange rates, and quick transfer times, TapTap Send has become a popular choice for users in the UAE who need to handle cross-border transactions efficiently. The platform allows users to send money directly to bank accounts or mobile wallets in supported countries, ensuring a seamless and hassle-free experience. Whether you're supporting loved ones abroad, paying for services, or managing business payments, TapTap Send provides a user-friendly interface and secure transactions. The app also prioritizes safety by using advanced encryption and adhering to global financial regulations. To get started, simply download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Create an account and link your bank account or card. For recipients, providing their bank details or mobile wallet information is all it takes to receive funds quickly and reliably. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.